So, hello everyone. Just a second. Just pause a second. Yeah. So, hello everyone, and welcome back to another live stream. 1 minute, let me set up my mic. I'm having some trouble. Just a second. Sorry, sorry. Yes. So, is the stream visible to all? So, let's start. Yeah, so let's start. So, YP Live. So, today is time for Geography Chapter 1. So, let's just open it. So, yeah, so let's start. Let's just skip it with changing something. Just a second. I'm adding it. So let's start. Okay, so we don't need to do this. Let's just start from our solar system. The solar system. Sorry that my line would not be perfect because I'm using my mouse, but you will be understanding what I'm writing. So the sun, the eight planets, and all other satellites which are present in our solar system. Right here, you can see this is the sun, Earth, other planets, and the asteroid belt is it come together and form. the solar system. So the sun, eight planets, the sun, eight planets, satellites, and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form our solar system. Yeah, this our sun. Wait a second. Just a minute. Yeah. So the sun is the center of our solar system that we already know, and it also covers the 98% of our solar mass. The sun is the center of our solar system, as I already told. This is an important line. It is a huge, it's a huge and made up of extremely hot gases. Also, just a second. It provi- from here to where is the basic definition of the sun that everyone knows, but still it's very important. It provides the pulling force that binds the solar system. So, how can you say that this planet, suppose Uranus, has been in this route only, in this route only? I mean to say is, how can it be here? It has its own gravity, right? Also, it has its moon, it has a lot of moons, right? So, how can this Uranus be here in a perfect periodic line? The answer is the sun. Let me just clean all this. So the thing happens is that the sun binds every planet and the asteroid together, means it keep them in a perfect manner so that they won't get far away or close to it. The sun is an ultimate source of heat and light for the solar system, but that tremendous heat is not felt so much by us because Despite being the nearest star, it is far away from us. See, this is an important line that tremendous heat does. One second. Yeah, that tremendous is that heat is not felt so much by us because despite being the nearest star, it is it is far away from us. And did you know the distance from Earth and the Sun? What is? It's 150 million kilometers. Sorry for that. Something happened just. So now let's come to the planets. Yeah, there are 8 planets in our solar system. One second, some problem is there. Yeah, so the 8 planets in our solar system in order of the distance from Sun. There are 8 planets that we already know: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. So you can learn it as my very efficient mother just served us nuts. I'm not required though. Let's just start from the Earth. Earth is the third planet from Sun. Planet from the Sun. It in size fifth largest planet after Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. From Earth, it is slightly flattened. This is a very important. It is slightly flattened at the poles. That's why its shape described as a geoid. This is very important word, geoid. Yeah. Geoid means Earth-like shape, which is a circle. I know it's not perfect, but it's flat from the poles. Let me just show you if I found. Suppose this moon is our Earth, for example. So it's little bit flattened from here and here, and it's a bit stretched from here. Now comes the moon. Once, yeah, well, nothing to know here. Asteroid meteorites. Asteroid and meteorites are important to learn as well as for the solar system. Apart from the stars, planet, and satellite, there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are known as asteroids. The definition of asteroid are there are there are numerous tiny bodies which also move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids. Mostly the asteroids are found between Mars and Jupiter. It's known as the asteroid belt where they are found. Let me just show you the images. Yeah, this is the asteroid belt. They are found between the orbit of Jupiter and Mars. This is an asteroid that is found there, a real asteroid, real asteroid. Real asteroid. Scientists are the view that asteroids are part of a planet which explode many a time. So the question is, how does an asteroid come? Where does it come from? The answer is this is an asteroid. There was a there was some planet back in the year or some moons that collapsed with each other. They both just I'm not getting the word which I have to use here. Wait, I'm telling you. Yeah. So they all just collab with each other. Just ignore this. What happened? Yeah. So they both just collapsed with each other and destroyed. So the part that came out became the asteroid. Very bad drawing, isn't it? Then comes meteoroid. So the meteoroids are this small rock that moves around the sun. The small pieces of rock which moves around the sun are called meteoroids. Definition is here. The small piece of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. So sometimes these meteoroids come near the earth and tend to drop upon it. During this process, due to friction with the air, they get heated and burn up. See, suppose this is the earth and this is the meteoroid. So what happens is it just it's coming down and due to heat and friction it burns up and this process is called and we know it shower. It was a flash of light, sometime a meteor without being completely burned falls on the earth and create a halo. Sometimes what happens is the meteoroid does not burn completely due to the atmosphere and it comes on the surface of the earth. So what happens is it gets big hole over there where it falls and the rock breaks up there. Do you see let me just show you the picture of our Milky Way. So one second. Let me just see the size of the photo is big or not. Mm, mm. Yeah, so this is the picture of our Milky Way. We are somewhere over here in this belt. What I want to show is the Milky Way is our galaxy in which we live, and it's also known as the Akash Ganga, which means is the river of light. A galaxy, here comes the definition of galaxy. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases. There are millions of such galaxies that makes a universe. It is difficult to imagine how big is the universe. Scientists are still trying to find out more and more about it. We are not certain about the size of it, but we know that all of us, you and I, belong to this universe only. And from here, the chapter ends up. So, shall we do the questions also? Exercises? Let me just see it. I'm sorry for that. Yeah. So, let's just do it. How does a planet differ from a star? I am not gonna tell this. Just this one. The planet known as the Earth's twin is Venus, as we already know. Which of the third planet? I told you already. Why the planets move around the sun in just a second. Something is wrong here. Yeah, in a elongated path because the path is not circle. Circle means just perfect. This is a circle, and the path of them is something like this. The polar star indicate towards the north direction. Asteroid found between the Asteroids are found between the orbit of Jupiter and Mars. Fill in the blanks. A group of dash forming various patterns is known as a group of star. Is called a constellation. A huge system of stars is called as a galaxy. Dash is the closest celestial body to our Earth, the Moon. The Moon is the closest celestial body to our Earth. Dash is the third nearest planet to the Earth. That we already know that the Earth is the third nearest planet to the Sun. Yes. Planet do not have their own heat and light. Heat, heat and light. I don't know seriously that why there is this much gap. things to do for you. Prepare a chart of solar system. That means is make this picture during your vacation. Visit a planetarium and describe the experience in the class. Organize a quiz contest on the Earth and the solar system. So this I'm gonna do for you in the next week after just a 1 week. It's 18, so I'm gonna do it on. Wait, when is the next Sunday? Uh, so I'm gonna do it on 24th of November. After 8 days, I'm gonna do it. There would be a Menti quiz for you all. So that's it. We have completed this chapter in just in less than half an hour. An hour. So in the next class, let me just see what can we do. Okay, so here I have these are the geography. Then here comes from here to here the maths. I think we should do physics chapter one. Let me just see what's in it. There shouldn't be much change in motion and measurement of distances. Um, I don't know if there is just see where are the exercises of it. Yeah, it's in the end of the chapter. So I'll be telling you this in the next class, which is tomorrow. Make sure to join. So that's it, guys. Thank you for